when I race like a buoy, a short course, okay? So I say, okay, like the first leg, the upwind leg, I split it to near the buoy, in the middle, and in the upwind buoy. So I split it in my mind, and then I want to do like
Yes.
but this is like 1 hour race. There, like,
Yes, but there it is 10 days but when you are going around the world, you start, for example, in the last race, in the Golden Globe race, you go for, when I start with 240 days of food. So that you are going to spend around 220, 230 or something like that. So
you were
you
accurate.
divide that by about 10 days, and it's easier than to say I arrive in 240 days. It's a very long time. You know that some storms are sometimes arriving. You know that it can be cold. It can be difficult. You know that, but you take each day like it arrives. This kind of trip um, give you some fatality. You finish to be fatalist. That's arrive. You can do nothing about that, and you have to take the things as they arrive, and to be as happy as possible with the thing as it arrives.
Accepting it.
Accepting it, to be optimist, to know that each time that there is bad weather, you can be sure that after that it's nice weather.
Mm.
It's always arriving.
So you say,
It can be 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, but the nice weather
finish.
is arriving and nice conditions are arriving. And at the end of this story about COVID, after that, the life will be back, and perhaps the life after that will be better than the life before. You learn that after hours and hours and hours alone. And there is another difficulty on this kind of race. It is that you are alone on your boat. So you have not the sight of another person. You, you have to decide by yourself, and nobody is a judge for you. For example, when it is the night, it's raining, you are inside your sleeping bag, it's quite nice inside, and the wind is going to change, or is going to change, and you have to go outside. So there is the people who are able to say, well, I am going out of my sleeping bag, and I put my weather suit, and it is raining, but I am going there. And there is the people who have the mind to do that, and you have nobody to help you for that. You know that when you are in any sports, you know that it is an advantage to play at home with people who encourage, who shout about you, to help you to win and to run and so on. Here on the boat, you are alone, and you are alone to decide, and you have not the look of another person. You have not the feeling of another one. And if you are not very strict about you,
Mhm.
you can you can stop to try to run the boat as fast as possible. You can dream, and you can just instead of preparing the food well, you can eat nothing or eat too much. You see, if you have not, you need a lot of strength in your mind to be able to do that.
But
you need to also to be well and okay with yourself.
yeah, but okay. And like, you think that being alone made you social interact differently?
Oh yes, I'm sure.
In
I'm
what way?
sure. When you come back, when you have been 100 days alone or more, I think only with the nature, only with you and your boat, when you come back, you see the life differently than before to the start. And
But
I think you are more you have more philosophical mind after that, and this kind of race change the people who are racing.
this is